Hello, everyone! Welcome to today's English lesson. We're going to learn about the words do, does, don't, doesn't, and have. These are very important in English, and once you understand them, you'll feel more confident speaking. Let's get started. Section 1. Do and does. First, let's talk about do and does. Do is used with I, you, we, and they. Example, I do my homework. Another. Does is used with he, she, and it. Example, she does her homework. So remember, do for I, you, we, they, does for he, she, it. Section 2. Don't and doesn't. Next, we have don't and doesn't. Don't is the short form, contraction of do not. We use it with I, you, we, and they. Example, I don't like bananas. Another, doesn't is the short form of does not. We use it with he, she, and it. Example, he doesn't like bananas. So, don't for I, you, we, they, doesn't for he, she, it. Section 3. Using do and does with have. Now, let's look at how we use do and does with have. When asking questions, we use do and does. Example for do you have a pen? Example for does she have a pen? Next, for negative sentences, we use don't have and doesn't have. Example for don't, I don't have a car. Example for doesn't, he doesn't have a car. Section 4. Common questions. Now, let's look at some common questions using these words. Do you have any questions? Does he know the answer? Don't you want to come? Doesn't she like ice cream? Section 5. Practice examples. Now it's your turn. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. First one. My best workout. My best workout. I do my best workout. Second one. Her exercises. Her exercises. She does her exercises. Third one. I like coffee. I like coffee. I don't like coffee. Fourth one. He like to play cricket. He like to play cricket. He doesn't like to play cricket. Fifth one. You have a book? You have a book? Do you have a book? Last one. She have food? She have food? Does she have food? Great job today, everyone! Remember, do and does help us make questions and negatives in English. Keep practicing, and you'll get even better. If you enjoy this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more lessons. See you next time!